can see, okay, this is the base. On top of it, hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. So I hope all of you are doing fine. और आप लोगों ने मेरे पहले आइकिया के जो वीडियोस हैं वो देख ही लिए होंगे, और आपको अगर पसंद आए होंगे तो प्लीज़ आप लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। जिन्होंने नहीं किया फिर से प्लीज़ अगेन अपील है आपसे, लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें, क्योंकि आप अगर लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करते हैं तो मुझे मोटिवेशन आता है कि मैं और वीडियोस बनाऊं और मेहनत करूं, आपके लिए और कंटेंट लाऊं। तो अगेन प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। तो आज का जो वीडियो है, जैसे कि आपने प्रीव्यू में देख लिया होगा, थंबनेल में भी देख लिया होगा, मुझे एमेच्योर एस्ट्रोनॉमी बहुत पसंद है ना। मैंने एमेच्योर एस्ट्रोनॉमर, मेरे को स्टार गेजिंग, तारे देखना, आप बाइनोकुलर से भी देख सकते हैं, आप एक बड़ा सा टेलीस्कोप लेके भी देख सकते हैं। तो मैं ये चीज़ पिछले 2 साल से कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन जैसे कि बैंगलोर में आपको मालूम है, बैंगलोर में यू डोंट गेट क्लियर स्काइज एवरी टाइम। सो यूजुअली मैं बैंगलोर से नीचे ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 80 किलोमीटर्स नीचे जाके रहता हूँ। तो मैंने एक नया टेलीस्कोप खरीदा है, मैं आपको उस टेलीस्कोप की अनबॉक्सिंग दिखाऊंगा। सो आई बॉट अ GSO 10 इंच डॉप्सोनियन। GSO 10 इंच डॉप्सोनियन मतलब क्या होता है, 10 इंच का टेलीस्कोप है, उसका प्राइमरी मेरा 10 इंच का है, और वो एक न्यूटोनियन टेलीस्कोप है जो एक डॉप्सोनियन माउंट पे होता है। एक होता है टेलीस्कोप और एक होता है उसको किसके ऊपर रखे, जैसे हम खाना टेबल के ऊपर रख के खाते हैं तो हम प्लेट चम्मच लेते हैं, वो प्लेट चम्मच होगी आपकी टेलीस्कोप, वो टेबल जिसके ऊपर आप रख के खाते हो वो हो गया आपका माउंट। तो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू मैं आपको और ज़्यादा नहीं बोर करूँगा, मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि 10 इंच टेलीस्कोप जो मैंने लिया है GSO का 10 इंच, वो दिखाता हूँ कि कैसे पैकेजिंग में आए, उसकी अनबॉक्सिंग करता हूँ और बताता हूँ कि क्या क्या कंपोनेंट होते हैं, क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको कैसे असेंबल करनी है, क्या क्या चीज़ों से आपको सावधान रहना है, विच यू नीड टू बी कॉशियस ऑफ। सो वो सब भी मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। Guys, let's open the rocker base first, which is the base on which the telescope will be sitting. This is, I think, the optical tube. I don't know what all things are inside. This is the first time I'm unboxing it. So पहले इसको assemble करते हैं, and after that let's see what all accessories are there inside. I don't have a cutter, so I'm just using a knife as a cutter. There are some screws and base units over here, which I'll keep it over here right now. These are, there are 2 units inside this. I'll open it and show it to you, which are the corner units of the Dobsonian piece. Over here you can see this, I believe is the eyepiece unit. Yeah, this is the eyepiece unit where you can put the 30mm eyepiece, 10mm, 9mm, 6mm eyepieces. Plus they have given screws to mount it on the unit as well. I will very carefully try to move this whole unit out of the box. So guys, I have put the base roller unit right now, and I'll try to move the upper plate of this. I'll keep it over here, not very heavy. Now I can see there are few places to put some screws on it. That's the base unit, and this is the roller unit. which will help us to move this whole Dobsonian unit. As you can see, all these things, so this in my opinion is minimum 2 to 2.5 kg. This plate, that is also 2 to 2.5 kg. Roller plate, you have those side mountings, and then again I've not yet opened the telescope, so a very heavy unit. 100% sure this is the bottom piece जो इसमें ऐसा करके लगेगा. ये 3 उन्होंने दिए हैं पीसेस. Then they have given us an Allen key. ये Allen key बहुत important है. जो लोग Allen key नहीं रखते हैं, I would advise कि आप एक full 32 सेट का, 36 सेट का, 28 सेट का जो सेट मिलता है Amazon पे अराउंड 500-600-700, वो आप रख लें स्क्रू ड्राइवर्स का, जिसमें आप मल्टीपल रिप्लेसेबल हेड्स लगा सकते हैं. बट Allen key इन एस्ट्रोनॉमी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उसको मैं अभी यहाँ रख रहा हूँ क्योंकि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है. अब यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे वॉशर्स हैं, काफ़ी सारे स्क्रूज हैं यहाँ पे. तो लेट्स जस्ट फिगर आउट विच स्क्रू विल बी यूज फॉर व्हाट. As you can see some grooves here and here. Okay, similarly you can see some grooves here and here, and on the opposite side of that, here and here. So this is where we need to create the overall frame which will hold our telescope together. One more thing which we want to put, the last one, is over here we want to put the lens kit, the lens holder. Okay, I'm not putting it right now intentionally. I'll put it once I have the whole unit in place. Now let's take this. Let us open this. I'm pretty sure this is the roller base. So now let's open this. Now this is the roller base on which the whole telescope will sit, and you have bearings over here. You can see this is the roller base, okay, and you have 2 aluminum plates, this one and on top of this one. So between these two अपना roller plate ऐसे roller ring ऐसे बैठ जाता है. ठीक है, this whole unit is like this. You see, we can move it like this. Next we'll see what all washers we have available. And okay, there was one more washer. I think I misplaced. Okay, I am not misplaced this. It's over here. Now this piece of metal, you need to keep it over here. Okay, like this. And on top of that, you need to put your roller piece. So one piece of aluminum sheet over here, your roller sheet on top of it, and then your top aluminum sheet. So if you see, I know you can hear some voice, but this voice will come down once you have the knob and everything in place. Now on top of it, you need to put this unit, the unit which you have just assembled, with the side panels and the front panel. And believe me guys, this is really heavy. So we'll try to put this unit on top of this very carefully. Okay? You can hear this, but honestly on a night when you're observing, you will never ever move this so frequently. Okay? Now, next thing which you want to do is, you need to put these two washers which you will get. So this big washer stays over here, and this small washer along with the knob, this is the tightening knob which will help you control the smoothness or the rigidity of your or tightness of your azimuth axis. Okay, azimuth is this, right to left, altitude is here, north to south. Okay, plus you get this very small bearing with this. Okay, see, it's not coming in my hand. Very small bearing. It helps you with this knob. Okay, now what you will do is, you'll put this bearing, what you'll do is, you'll put this washer first, then you'll put the bearing, and then this whole assembly you'll put it over here. So remember, the base unit also has a screw. Now see, the tension has increased a bit. If I tighten it a bit more, see, it's not as freely moving now. Whereas if I loosen it, you see how freely it is moving. Right? If you tighten it, if you, for example, you have seen a star, you have spotted a star or a planet, and you want to focus on it, your telescope is like this. You just put your hand down, you tighten it. Okay? Now see, this is hardly moving very freely. If you tighten it a bit more, it's not moving, the base is moving, the full base, because we have not put the telescope, which is in itself a very heavy unit, but it's not freely moving on your AZ axis. Okay, if you loosen it, it truly moves on your AZ axis. So this your base Dobsonian mount. Now, people who don't know, this is called as Dobsonian mount. You get two tensioners over here, which will help you put the tension on your altitude, on your telescope, from an altitude axis, but from an AZ axis. This is the Dobsonian mount.